Guess what day it is? You got it. It's my birthday. Welcome everyone to birthday week celebration, and this particular video is launching on my actual birthday, and it is part of a collaboration of 9 artists all together who have joined up and honored me by doing videos of their own in part of this collaboration. And the organizer is someone near and dear to most of us, and her name is Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. So big kudos to her for organizing 8 other people and getting this show on the road so darn quickly. So thank you all for not only being here and watching, but a special thank you to each of the artists who whipped up something so quickly to get this out and aired today. So speaking of today, up before me was Yen of Yen Draws, amazing artist. If you missed her, please go back and check her out. And then up after me is Suda of Artist Resin. And if you follow along with the playlist, you'll be able to catch everyone. And if you happen to miss it, use the playlist still, and you can go and check everyone out. It's probably the easiest way to follow along. So in this particular painting, if you happen to see the one that I released on Tuesday with Marie Louise, I did a spray paint fantasy painting. And I'm continuing on with that theme, and I had a tree in that painting as well. So I used the spray paint, as you see, to just create my background. And this is a 12 by 12 inch cradle wood board that I'm using. And I used a stencil for the tree, and I thought that the stencil was just a little bit too small for what I wanted to do. So I'm just enlarging it now and filling in that tree area. This particular idea is basically the Tree of Souls from Avatar, the movie Avatar. That tree just fascinates me. It was so darn beautiful how James Cameron, I think it was James Cameron, yes, James Cameron created that tree. And it's all my special colors. So this tree is an adaptation of that one, and I hope you enjoy this process. Again, thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now sit back and just enjoy what's happening. here's the final piece. My Tree of Souls from the movie Avatar, or at least my take on it. And I hope that you're seeing the little tiny crystals along with the sparkle just from the TLPs that I put in there. I think I did a decent job of capturing that theme, but let me know what your thoughts are. And I want to also say a very special thank you to everyone who is collaborating today for my birthday, and for those of you who are watching. And each and every one of you have honored me by being a part of this in whichever way that you can. So thank you so much. I am truly humbled and truly honored. A special thank you to Aishu for putting this all together and whipping it up in such a short amount of time. Big love to you, Aishu, my special one. Thank you all. We'll see you again soon.